Should have drew a line across.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I should have.
Yeah?
We probably would have done that.
You don't say. A nice straight line across the middle?
It would have helped, okay?
Oh, okay. Who would have knew?
Why didn't you suggest that while we were upstairs?
I don't know. I don't know why I wouldn't have suggested that while we were upstairs.
How's the lighting down here?
It's actually not bad.
Seriously?
Yeah, this is very cinematic.
Okay, that's it. What do you think, Harris?
I mean, listen, it's not great, but it ain't bad.
For what we got?
For what we got.
Not being a metal shop?
Yeah. Maybe one day when we have a shop, we'll have some proper equipment, but until then.
An actual fender? We got a manual one.
But until then, we got what we got.
Too many nuts there. That's okay.
Oh, it's all good. Pretty straight. Straight-ish. Straight-ish.
Yeah, I mean, well, so what do you think about the water then getting inside there?
I mean, I think if it's welded in good, I don't think it'll happen. From what I can just feel in here, like if this is welded in good, I don't think that water's coming in.
Well, if you think about it too, later on, I guess we can always jack it up higher
Well, right.
and weld the other side.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. Huh?
Too much noise. You want to go all the way down? Because
Yeah.
it looked like it ended right here.
That's right. That's where I would go. I would go to... I mean, we can do two separate pieces.
Alright, put it in there.
I mean, we can. Just like I figure since there's a split from this hole anyways, there was here. Do one.
You're going to do one big piece and just have a half hole or whatever.
Okay. That works. Hey, why is this so big?
What do you mean?
Why'd you cut it so big? You just want to like weld on top of it? I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter, right? If we're welding like on top of it instead
I
of...
think it
It's like slightly bigger. It's not going... Huh?
Some places it was where I thought it was.
Yeah, it looks... I mean, it looks... No, see, you're kind of close.
Yeah, we just got kind of... I figured we'd have to trim it, but I'd rather go bigger than go smaller.
Well, that's true. Go big or go home.
I knew we were going to have to trim it.
Go big or go home is what you're saying, huh?
Nope.
that new machine, dude.
I like it too.
Oh,
I'm very happy with that purchase.
oh, there you go.
I'm looking at a clean cut.
Let's see those clean cuts.
Better than the grinding.
That's
than the cutoff wheel.
That's for sure.
So in the middle of Lake Toya, it's actually so shallow that the water's only about waist deep, and we're right in the middle.
You didn't get a good shot. It's not good. It's not good. I have a lot more to cut off to get in there and figure out what I need to do.
Do it.
That's like perfect. On the music earlier on.
It's foggy. It's foggy. Got that POR. That's the underside of this panel that we cut here. We got our like interior structural panel all done. It's welded in as best as we could do it, since we're not professionals.
We're almost professionals.
Almost professionals.
Right there. Almost.
Yeah, so we did what we could do with no knowledge at all, and now we're just gonna start. We're gonna let all this dry, and then we're gonna weld in the piece here, and then make our own bottom curved piece to finish it up. And I did paint in there as well, so should be almost done on this side, and then the other side, and then we can put it back together to look like a car again. But dude, it's almost like you're a pro at this. I'm just like sitting back, watching, relaxing. You know, I'm lounging back. I got my drinks and stuff.
I'm just doing what makes sense to me. That's all.
And you're just working over here while I'm hanging out.
Doing my best.
No, but you're doing awesome, man. I think you're doing awesome. I'm sure there's professionals out there that are gonna say we're shit at this, and we should never work on a car again. But you know, we're gonna do our thing on our car, and like I've said, I'm pretty sure I said in the beginning of this thing that we're doing here, we're not professionals. We don't know what we're doing. We're just kind of going with it and figuring it our way. Because if we were professionals, we'd have we wouldn't be working. We wouldn't be in a garage, in a home garage on the ground. We'd be in a shop. So we're kind of just figuring it out and trying to save this car, and I don't know. I'm pretty happy with it. I won't lie though. It was looking a little rough there.
It was bad at first.
When I first saw it, I was like, I don't know if that's getting saved, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good about it, man.
It was only this panel going down here.
Yeah.
And then we opened it up, and then all the way back here to all the way up here was gone.
All of it. But hey, you know what?
And the other side is worse.
Once we get this side done, then we'll
knock out the other side.
knock out the other side. We should have a car again.
Yes.
It's okay. Plus, you know, if we don't make the bow, like this bow that's in the metal as perfect over here, we'll have a side skirt that covers all this, so it doesn't matter. we'll have an actual.
Well, we're gonna do our best with that too.
Well, yeah.
With
We're not gonna half-ass it. We're gonna
no
try to do what we
metal
can.
tools.
Yeah, we don't have metal bending tools or rollers or any of that stuff to make the bow or the bend perfect. So we're gonna try to do our best with what we got.
Trace what we need to cut. Oh. Oh, this marker fucking sucks. Can barely even see that.
Note to self, clean the paint better, because over here we had a lot of heavy welds, booger welds, where here it's clearly significantly nicer, and we believe that's because we didn't clean maybe the paint here off better, because the metals are the same, the settings are the same. I think we just didn't, I think me and my buddy both agree, we don't think we cleaned the metal on this side better compared to this side. And so that's why these welds are significantly nicer than these were. So we'll have to grind down this quite a bit, but this definitely not as much. So little note if you're doing this, and yes, we are doing it in sections.